If you want to become a K-pop idol in the future, then follow these 15 tips to improve your beauty. If you're dreaming of standing on that stage with perfect skin, shiny hair, and that natural idol glow, you're in the right place. You watch your favorite idols, so flawless, confident, and radiant, and you wonder, how do they look like that every single day? The truth is, they don't wake up like that. Behind that perfect skin and glowing aura is daily discipline and smart habits. So grab your notebook or just listen carefully. Tip 1. Always keep your face clean. First and most important, always keep your face clean. I cannot stress this enough. Your skin is like a blank canvas. If the canvas is dirty, no matter how good the makeup or skincare is, it won't look right. Make it a habit to wash your face twice a day, morning and night. Use a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type. Don't use harsh soaps. At night, double cleanse if you wear makeup or sunscreen. This simple step prevents breakouts, removes pollution and sweat, and lets your skin breathe. I've seen so many aspiring idols ruin their skin just because they skip cleansing when they're tired. Don't be that person. Clean skin is the foundation of idol beauty. Trust me, after 1 week of consistent cleansing, you'll already notice your skin looks fresher. Tip 2. Do exercise daily. K-pop idols have that natural flush and healthy glow because they move their bodies. Exercise increases blood circulation, which brings oxygen and nutrients to your skin. You don't need a gym. Just 30 to 45 minutes every day, dancing to K-pop choreo, brisk walking, yoga, or simple home workouts. When you dance, you're actually killing 2 birds with 1 stone, improving your audition skills and your skin at the same time. The best part? Exercise also helps balance hormones, which means fewer pimples. So next time you feel lazy, put on your favorite song and dance like nobody's watching. Your future idol self will thank you. Tip 3. Sleep properly. This is probably the most underrated beauty tip. While you sleep, your skin repairs itself. That's why idols always emphasize sleep. Try to sleep at least 7 to 8 hours every night. Create a bedtime routine, dim the lights, avoid phone screens 1 hour before bed, maybe play soft music. When you sleep well, you wake up with brighter eyes, less puffiness, and that natural glass skin glow. I know it's hard with school, college, or late night scrolling, but if you want idol-level beauty, sleep is non-negotiable. Protect your sleep like it's your biggest audition. Tip 4. Avoid junk and processed food. You are what you eat. Seriously, oily, sugary, and packaged foods cause inflammation, which shows up as acne, dull skin, and even dark circles. Start replacing chips and cold drinks with fresh fruits, vegetables, nuts, and home-cooked meals. Add more antioxidant-rich foods like berries, spinach, carrots, and tomatoes. Your skin will thank you within a few weeks. Many idols follow a clean diet not just for weight but for skin health. You don't have to be perfect, just progress. 1 healthy swap at a time. Tip 5. Fix your sleep cycle. It's not just about how many hours you sleep, but when you sleep. Try to sleep and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. A consistent sleep cycle balances your hormones and reduces stress hormones that damage your skin. Many idols maintain strict sleep schedules because it shows on camera. Start small, shift your bedtime 15 minutes earlier every few days until you reach your ideal time. Your skin and energy levels will transform. Tip number 6. Try to avoid heavy makeup. I know it's tempting to cover everything, but heavy makeup actually damages your skin in the long run. It clogs pores and makes your skin dependent on it. For daily practice or audition videos, go for light, natural makeup. Let your real skin shine through. Use good skincare so you don't need to cake on foundation. Natural beauty is what casting directors look for in the first rounds. Confidence with bare skin is the real idol aura. Tip number 7. Apply serum and sheet mask regularly. Sheet masks are like emergency boosters for your skin. Use them 2 to 3 times a week. After cleansing, apply a good vitamin C or niacinamide serum, then put on a sheet mask for 15 to 20 minutes. This gives deep hydration and brightening. You can even use Korean sheet masks that are budget-friendly now. Consistency here gives you that dewy, glass skin look that K-pop idols are famous for. Tip number 8. Apply sunscreen daily, especially before going out. This is non-negotiable. Sun damage is one of the biggest reasons for dull skin, dark spots, and early aging. Even if you're staying at home, apply broad-spectrum sunscreen every morning. Reapply if you go outside. Choose a lightweight one so it doesn't feel heavy. Tip number 9. Use Gua Sha on your face. This ancient tool is a game changer for reducing puffiness and sculpting your face. Use it with facial oil or serum for 5 to 10 minutes every day or every alternate day. Gently massage upwards and outwards. It improves lymphatic drainage and gives you that sharp jawline and cheekbones idols have. It's relaxing too, almost like a mini spa at home. Tip number 10, use hairspray to maintain your hairstyle. Idols always look polished. A light hold hairspray helps keep your hairstyle neat during dance practice or long days. Good hair instantly elevates your entire look. Practice different idol-style hairstyles and lock them with a quick spray. Tip number 11, scrub your lips using homemade honey lip scrub. Soft, pink lips are so important on camera. Mix honey with sugar or olive oil and gently scrub your lips 2 to 3 times a week. Then apply lip balm. This removes dead skin and makes your lips look naturally fuller and healthier. Perfect for those close-up shots in audition videos. Tip number 12, drink plenty of water and skip cold drinks. Hydration from inside is more important than any cream. Aim for 3 to 4 liters of water daily. Cut down on sugary cold drinks and packaged juices, they cause bloating and skin issues. Add lemon or cucumber if plain water feels boring. You'll notice clearer skin and brighter eyes within days. Tip number 13, don't be stressed. Stress is the biggest beauty killer. It causes breakouts, dull skin, and hair fall. Find ways to relax, meditate for 10 minutes, journal, listen to music, or talk to friends. Remember, becoming an idol is a journey. Enjoy the process instead of putting too much pressure on yourself. Tip number 14, be confident. No amount of skincare can replace confidence. Stand tall, make eye contact with the camera, and smile with your eyes. Confidence makes you magnetic. Practice self-introduction videos daily. The more you do it, the more natural it becomes. Idols aren't just beautiful, they carry themselves with belief. And finally, tip number 15, love yourself. This is the most important one. Real beauty comes from self-love. Accept yourself as you are today while working to become better. Celebrate small progress. Be kind to yourself on bad skin days. When you love yourself, that inner glow shows on the outside. That's what truly makes someone an idol. Comment below which tip you're starting first. I read every single comment and might reply with extra advice. Thank you so much for watching. You're beautiful, you're capable, and you've got this.